28.
31.
328.
Yes.
Okay, 328. I've seen 328 come before.
920.
Okay.
That's a good one, right?
That's the daily 3 for California for tonight. Matter of fact, I got to get the numbers before 14 minutes for all of this. Bye.
Okay, bye. I love you.
Fire back.
I was throwing
Get my
a
camera
fit.
safe. Yeah, that was a good one, dude.
WTF was that?
I love you, Fire.
I love you.
Are you angry?
That was interesting.
Huh?
Are you angry?
Who
Oh, no,
is
no, no,
that
no.
person?
I was literally laughing so hard I tripped and fell.
Okay.
Did you meet Egypt?
Hold on, my GoPro, like, I think it shut off when Egypt called me.
That because I literally tripped over my own foot and fell.
What? Wait, was that on camera?
Yeah,
That
I
was
right
amazing.
here, and I like went to turn around, and tripped over my foot and just fell like right here.
Oh. No, I'm not calling her back right now, dude. She got to get to the gas station and order those numbers.
Just goes to show, if you
Okay.
don't call her for a while when she
That whole
does
conversation was
answer,
wild.
she's
True, Dom. True, dude. Dude, I'm about to get a big payout when she wins this shit. And everybody's getting a cut. Everybody that gave me numbers is getting a cut.
Is your water in the bag boiling?
Yeah, it's boiling.
Yeah, throw your little potatoes in there for like 3 minutes.
Alright.
And then they have to drain. And then lay them out so they can cool it.
Camel about to feel like what is it like to live our lives and be scammed?
Whatever,
Fuck
dude.
yes.
The
There's a
scammer
guy
is
from an
getting
hour ago
scammed.
still on fit. WTF?
Yeah,
She's gonna
okay,
win and send you like a
Smear.
Hershey kiss.
Did I
like,
get
I
any
told you
pig
something
pongs in
sweet.
there? What you cooking?
No. Listen, Egypt is balling, dude. Egypt is actually balling. Yo, Juan, we're making Korean corn dogs.
Real will buy real Crocs with his winning.
Don't waste your money on real Crocs. Crocs are where it's at. Frog Crocs. Fake Crocs.
Frog Crocs?
Yeah, fake Crocs. Crocs.
What about Crocs shaped like frogs?
Ooh.
Do those exist?
I don't know. Probably. Let's do them.
I once
Like
scrambled
cute-ass
eggs
frog
so bad
Crocs?
RN.
Frog Crocs. Yep, they exist.
Dogs at 1 Jose 1708.
Yeah, grass dogs. Actually, I want to look. Oh,
Scramble Mayor NEGPLSEA.
Yep.
yo, these are thick, dude.
Because mine are beef, so the cows ate the grass.
My dogs are thick.
Dude, those are
GIRTHY.
huge.
Juicy.
Wait, what the hell? They put a sticker on here that says 16 minutes. Cook for about, and they put a sticker covering something up.
Find you a man who drop everything for you like Camel drops everything for Egypt.
They packaging turds now?
Dude, it says cook for about 10 minutes, and they put a sticker over top of it that says 16 minutes.
I could be bleeding to death.
What the hell, dude?
Okay, I could be bleeding to death, and Burger would still be like, "Let me get to this save point real quick in my game."
Cook it for 5
Okay, I'll
minutes,
stop
no
dying for a
balls.
moment.
That's crazy.
I think that Egypt and Camel relationship.
LMAO.
Yo, my potato water is
16
turning
minutes
pink.
is a long time WTF.
Now it's
Dude, it is a long time, actually.
floor instruction. I'm not moving on to the next step until you get those potatoes out because I don't want you to overcook them. So we're not doing anything else until those.
Like, why not just eat it raw? It's literally plant.
Wait,
I'll throw on a tourniquet, then get to say.
My bath water is pink potato water.
What if I have an abdominal bleed?
The
You can't press that.
timer.